Hey G Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode we have this cool, amazing product right here in my hand. If you can see, basically what it is a deformable LED garage light. So what that means is that there's 4 different LED lights right here and they're all foldable, so you can aim the light at different directions. So you get a lot more coverage and the light itself is supposed to be really bright. So first thing first, let's actually open up the product to see what's actually inside first, and then we're going to test it out. Alright, so when you guys first open the product itself, this is basically what it looks like inside. So they provide us an installation guide to teach you guys how to set up and everything. And they tell you guys some of the benefits that's on here, you guys can see. So they provide you guys this accessory here that you can use to install it. If you guys don't have one at home, then you can use this one. If you guys have your own one, then you guys don't need to set it up. But here we have the actual product itself right here, you guys can see. And that's basically everything inside. So they also provide you guys some mounting accessory here as well, you guys can see. So let's take this off first. Alright, so this is basically what it looks like, you can see. So there's 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 of these, and then on the bottom, this is what it looks like right there. And the other side right here, this is basically what it looks like right there. So if you guys remove this part right here, all you guys really need to do is just screw this on and it should work. And all 4 of these panels just actually folded, just like this, and angle it whatever direction you guys want to put it on. So just like that, if you guys want to. It won't go any more than that. But for the other way, this way, that's how far I can go for these. So that's basically what the product looks like. You can see, it looks really cool. You guys can see like the LED lights and everything on the product itself on each one of them, if you guys look really carefully. So I believe like the total lumen on this is about like 12,000 lumens, which is really bright if you guys think about it. And they recommend that for people who want to get one of these, it's mainly for like your garage or your warehouse or somewhere that is like really big, that you want to get like a lot more of the coverage in terms of the brightness on the light. Then this is what this is for. If you guys want to use this at home, like in your living room or bedroom, yes, can as well. But just know that it's going to be super bright. And one thing that they mention on the product itself is that when you guys turn on the light, do not touch these if you guys use it for a really long time, because it will be really hot, because it also has the heat dissipation on here. So the only way for us to actually find out when it's actually worth it and when it actually works is to actually go try it out. So let's go try this out first, and then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so all we need to do is just screw this part on right here. Alright, so once you guys secure it like that, then you guys actually turn it on. So let me actually open up the light and show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so just to give you guys an idea of what it actually looks like, this is what it looks like with the light on. So this is what it looks like with the light off. So you can see that with the light on, it's actually super bright. So let me turn it on one more time. It's really bright. Alright, welcome back guys. So now you guys saw the quick test of product itself, you guys can see it actually does work and works quite well. You guys can see how bright and how much of a coverage the light actually works. And it's really cool how you guys can actually bend it to different direction or angles. So that way, if you guys don't want light all directly at one area, you guys can aim it at different directions and you guys get a lot more coverage and more brightness throughout your room or where you guys are planning to use this. And if you guys are wondering what is the lifespan for this product, it's actually supposed to last you guys up to around like 55,000 hours. So that's definitely a really long time and a really long lifespan. So you guys don't have to worry about this dying like anytime soon. That'll last you guys for a really long time. So that's basically everything that's on the product itself. Now that we did a quick unboxing and testing the product itself, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. For me, honestly, I would definitely have to say that this is worth it if you guys want one and need one of these, especially like how I mentioned earlier, if you guys want to use this for like your garages, warehouse, or anywhere that's like really big and you want to get a lot more light, then this is definitely really worth it. But then obviously for those guys who don't want or don't need one or have just one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you do need. But other than that, that's pretty much it for quick unboxing and testing on the product itself. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you guys did, then make sure to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And if you guys like this video and you guys want to see more, then make sure to click on that bell notification in the bottom to be notified of new videos that will be coming up in the future. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace. And then for today's G Squad fan shout out day we have